everybody, welcome to Virtual Storytime. My name is Miss Monique and I'm so excited to have you all here today. Thank you for tuning in and watching today's Virtual Storytime. Today we're going to read this fun book. This is called The Old Man and the Penguin. Do you see the little penguin here on the cover? So cute. But before we read our story, I want to sing a little hello song with you all today. And today I'm going to sing using my ukulele here. And that's because on March 18th, which is this Thursday, we're going to have a virtual program that will teach you how to play the ukulele. Now, if you know that we do every month, we do a take and make craft bag that you can swing by the Loveland Library, pick up your craft bag, and this month, it's making your own ukulele at home. Now you can also check out ukuleles at the library. Did you know you could do that? Or you could also bring your own ukulele to the program. So I hope you all sign up on our calendar to watch and learn how to play the ukulele. Now, we're going to start off here playing our ukulele and playing some basic chords so we can sing along to our hello song. And this song is Good morning, my friends. How are you? O en español es Buenos días. Good morning. Mis amigos, amigos is friend. ¿Cómo están? How are you? So let's sing our song. Are you ready? Here we go. Good morning, my friends. How are you? Good morning, my friends. How are you? Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my friends. How are you? Very good, my friends. I hope you're all doing well. Now let's sing en español. Yes. Buenos días, mis amigos. ¿Cómo están? ¿Listos? Buenos días, amigos. ¿Cómo están? Buenos días, amigos. ¿Cómo están? Buenos días, amigos, buenos días, amigos, buenos días, amigos, ¿cómo están? Very good, my friends. All right, I think we're ready now to read our book, The Old Man and the Penguin. Here we go. The Old Man and the Penguin, written by Julie Avery and Pierre Pratt. A true story of true friendship. And this is published by Kids Can Press. On his walk along the beach, João hears a sorry screech. Do you see? What is that? Do you see him? It's a little penguin. He spies a penguin on the shore who blinks an eye, but nothing more. His feathers soaked in oily goo that's black and sticky, just like glue. Too tired to swim, too weak to stand, he's barely moving on the sand. João must save this little guy. Without his help, he'll surely die. The little penguin is covered in oil. There's an oil spill in the ocean. He rubs and scrubs him, bubbles fly. He cleans him off and towels him dry. A bowl of fish for every snack. The penguin's strength is coming back. Look at, he's clean over here, eating his little fish. It's looking better, huh? They take a boat ride out to sea to find the place he's meant to be. João must leave him there to find other birds of his own kind. He's strong enough to swim away. He swam from the boat over to this little island. But he decides he'd rather stay. He swam all the way back, come to see João. Fishy kisses, beak to nose. Day by day, their friendship grows. João gives him a name, Dindim. They snuggle close, they play and swim. Look at them swimming up there. How cute. He loves the penguin like a child, but deep inside he knows he's wild. You see on the TV? There's little penguins out there. Seasons change, new feathers grow. Dindim knows it's time to go. An instinct draws him out to sea. A splash, psh, a dive. He's swimming free. Four months pass. He's back on shore and waddles to his old friend's door. Dindim came back. Then João comes into sight, and Dindim's honking with delight. Honk, honk. He's so excited to see his friend, and his friend is excited to see him too. Wagging tail and dancing feet, waiting for a sardine treat. Time to spend 8 months on land, pampered, loved, and fed by hand. Looks like Dindim staying for a little while. And just like clockwork every year, João knows when he'll appear. So Dindim goes off to his little island for a few months and comes right back to visit his friend. Pecks and strokes for happy friends, a precious bond that never ends. The end. And this over here is the author's note telling the true story about João and the little Dindim. And this happened in Brazil. They were actually friends. Dindim would leave and come back. It's a cool little story over here. But João saved Dindim's life. The end. What did you think about that true story? Did you like it? I did. And I think it's a great reminder that while we're being nice to other people, it's also important to remember to be nice to our animal friends and to the place we live and to the planet. Don't you agree? I hope you're all doing well and you're enjoying the snow. I'll see you next week, but take care until then, okay? Bye. Adios.